up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a big part for the S1000, and right here are the brackets for what I'm going to show you in a bit. But as you can see, I already started sanding this down, and this is what it looked before, and this is nasty. But I made gaskets because the thing that we're putting on, when the car bounces, it likes to squeak on this, so that's why I made these. It's not the most perfect ones, but it'll do. I'm gonna go and show you what we got. We got here a hardtop for the S1000. I'm not too sure what it is. It might be Mugen Rev, or I'm not too sure what it is, but we got it from a buddy of ours for a really good price. And you see it's dirty, but all in all, it's really good. No cracks, just these things are coming off. We just have to re-glue them, but we will be slapping this on pretty soon, and I gotta go and do the brackets. Gotta sand the other one down, paint it black, and then we'll slap it on. Alrighty guys, so we have started taking off the pieces, the trim pieces, and first you want to start with this piece, which is right here, and then after that there's going to be some 8mm. This panel is going to be right here, and the screw bolts are going to be right here. So you take them out, pull it from under here, pops off, and you get that panel, which I already took off. So pop it off towards this way, and then there's going to be a Phillips screw that's going to be down here. Take that off, and yes, I know it's all dirty, you need to vacuum it. So you guys remember the gaskets that I made for this piece right here? Well, that was a very crappy piece that I had. So this right here is the one my dad made, and I have no idea how he did this clean cut, but I guess it was only for top and bottom, not for the middle, because that's where it's gonna rub. And yeah, just wanted to tell you guys that we have this, and this is cleaner than mine. Alright, so I went ahead and vacuumed and cleaned all of this. So what you guys want to do is take off this bolt right here and that bolt right there, and then from there, where's the bracket? I don't know, I think it's for that side or this side, I'm not too sure, but this is a rough reference. It's gonna be like somewhere like this or something. Just like that, we have the hardtop on. But the thing is, we drove it down the street, and it seems to be creaking from probably like, it sounded from like here and up here. Wait, where? Yep, up here. So what my dad told me is to loosen these and let this just rise, the whole thing just rise up, and then just tighten it and see if that stops the creaking. But I'm gonna do that. And then after I do that, I'm gonna drive it, see how it is, and yeah, I'll get to you guys after I do it. Alright guys, so I tightened the hardtop, and right now I'm gonna take it, see if it creaks, but creaking a little bit. But I'm just gonna drive it down the street. Creaking a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but oh yeah, it's creaking. So we're gonna have to figure out how to stop the creaking. It sounds like it's back here on behind the passenger side, so I might lift that up a little bit and see how that is. See you guys faster. Alright guys, so I tried to play with it, put it up, put it down, all that stuff, and you could hear it just rubbing. So with that, I thought about this. He's putting it on right now. We're gonna see if that stops it, which hopefully it does, because it is super annoying when driving it, because you're like, I don't know if you guys could hear it in the video, but yeah, it was super annoying. Just from driving down the street. And we'll see you guys when we have the hardtop on. Alrighty guys, so we have the top on, and we'll see if it rattles. Creaks. Good stuff. I don't see any light though. Oh yeah. You're good for the first test. Let's do the driving test. Alright, as you can see, problem is solved. No more creaks or stuff like that. But if you guys are wondering about the tape, the little weather guard right here was coming off, so we had to Gorilla Glue it, and then we're gonna leave it overnight. Check tomorrow, see if it's on. If it is, that's good. And I mean, tell me not, it doesn't look bad with the red and the black. One of my friends said it, he called it the Black Widow. I mean, shoot, why not? Probably rock it for, I don't know, a while. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked today's video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel with that notification bell on, and until next time, peace.